In this video, I will show you how to upload and share files on Google Drive. Google Drive is a powerful tool for storing and sharing files with others. To begin, open Google Drive on your browser and click on My Drive in the top left corner. While your drive might look different depending on your files, the layout should remain consistent. To make sharing easier, it's a good idea to create a folder specifically for the files you want to share. To do this, click on New at the top left, then choose Folder. Name the folder anything you like, let's call it Files to Share for this example. After clicking Create, the folder will appear and you can double click to open it. Now that the folder is ready, it's time to upload your files. Click New again, then choose File Upload. A window will appear, allowing you to select the files you want to upload. You can either drag your cursor to select multiple files or hold the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac to pick individual ones. Once you've selected the files, click Open to start the upload. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. Depending on the file sizes, the process may take a little time. Once the upload is complete, your files will be ready to share. To share the folder, click on the folder name at the top of the screen and select Share. This will open the sharing options. You can either add specific people or groups by entering their email addresses, or you can make the folder accessible to anyone with a link. For convenience, I recommend the second option. Simply change the access setting to anyone with a link, then click Copy Link. You can now share the link via email or any other platform, and anyone with the link will be able to view and download the files in the folder. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.